Hey guys, Tom here at Artec Industries. We're out here with the Boar Group doing their annual trail cleanup of 5 Mile Pass. This is a local trail to us that we use a lot for R&D, as well as even our personal vehicles and personal lives. We take our own Jeeps out here, recreate. It's a great little trail network, and we just like help the community out, giving back to it. So that's one of the reasons we're here, as well as customers get to see the vehicles on the trail, see products work, and see what we're all about.